All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Toyota Sienna. It is the XLE model, this beautiful gray with tan interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera, leather seats, sunroof, roof racks, alloy wheels, super nice. Only 36,000 miles on this guy. Fog lights and all. Let's look at the front bumper. Looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Got some little fish eyes and stuff like that. Would have to be sanded or whatnot. But does have that. This fender here, likewise, a couple of pits and stuff like that. Not pits, I'm sorry. What's the word I'm looking for? Fish eyes, things of that nature. Definitely needs to be sanded down, but I think you might be able to do something with this. Yeah. All right. Get your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. And your tire tread is over 730 seconds. Actually, I had 8. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing on this one either. Your tire tread here is 830 seconds as well. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Got your sunroof as well. Power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here real quick. Push start system. Boom. Does come with 2 key fob combos. Obviously your AM FM CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's working. You got your let's see, home screen, which is where we're at right now. It says something about what was it? Traffic. I don't know what this means. What the hell are you talking about? I just had it up actually, so I don't know what the hell this is talking about. But I just had this traffic. Oh, there it is. Okay, so now it's coming up. It wasn't coming up before, I guess, because it need to be warmed up. But anyway, I just seen it work. I took a picture of it, so you guys check it out. I don't know why it doesn't want to work now, for whatever stupid reason. Anyway, AC controls right down below. It is dual AC or front and back. Yeah, dual AC controls. Front, drivers, passengers, and rear. All right, get your backup camera. Pow. Got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 36,338. Pretty much completes the tour. You got your stuff here. All right, you got your stuff here for I guess this thing that tells you you got your side markers there. Very nice, cool. Traction control, all that good stuff. Got for your windows, very awesome. You got a little button here, I guess, with open doors on the sides. Pow. Let's see if the back opens. The back does not open, I guess. Guess it only closes. Oh yeah, it opens up. Boom. Ha! I didn't think it did. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Got rear AC vents. You got rear AC controls here. Boom. And this is what your third row looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Now it does have another passenger seat there. I'll show you that in a second. Coming around, rear bumper. Got some chips and stuff like that. It's got a dent here, about 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches. All right, here's that middle seat that goes right there. It's right here. And got no lights. And so of course your seats here, this is what they do. They're action, boom boom boom. They fold forward, they jump in here. Check out picture for more details. Got a little power door. Pow. That closes that. This quarter looks great. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Yeah, some really minimum curbing around, say 4 or 5 inches there. Check out your tire tread, which is, check it out, tire tread, which is under 430 seconds. This door looks good. This front door looks good. Actually, it's got a dent here. No paint off, but it is there. Front passenger seat, no holes, the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Third row, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. All right. Sunroof from inside. I don't think I showed it. Boom. Look, it's starting to work there. I don't know what's going on with it, but just trust me, guys, it is working. It does work. All right. This quarter here, I mean, his fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing here. I call it 10 or more just to engulf it. The tire thread back here is over 630 seconds. Double check here. Yeah, just a hairline under 7. All right. Pretty much completes the tour. Boom, boom. Lights are working. Car is running. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Toyota Sienna XLE model with 36,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.